Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about time and units of time. What is time? Time is a fundamental physical quantity. It is the duration of events or how long something happens and changes. In physics, time is represented by the letter T. We use time every day. For example, when we wake up, go to school, or watch movie. In the International System of Units, the base unit of time is a second, written as S. There are also other units of time: minute, hour, day, week. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 week equals 7 days. We measure time using different devices. Clock shows hours, minutes, and seconds. Watch is a small clock we wear on our wrist. Stopwatch used to measure short time intervals in sports and experiments. Now let's look at a time interval. Time interval shows how much time passes between two events. For example, if a lesson starts 9 o'clock and ends 9:45, the time intervals 45 minutes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.